Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Tom Keenan, Paul Sweeney here, and with us, Bloomberg's Lisa Mateo, as we drive to a 5-minute podcast. What do you have?
We do. And because of the news, the U.S.-China truce, a lot of global stocks on the move. I was like, where do we start? Where do we go? I mean, my goodness. Yeah. So let's start with Nvidia, because their shares have been up more than 4%, because chip stocks have really gotten a boost from this. For example, two advanced micro devices have been up 6%, same for Broadcom. But we mentioned Nvidia, so those Mag 7 stocks, even a lot higher this morning. For example, Apple, Tesla, also up higher. We go to travel, right? Travel stocks have been higher. Delta Airlines, for example, up 7%. You have American Airlines up 6%. Then even you're looking at consumer stocks, right? Nike up 6%. Estee Lauder has been up as much as 6%. And global shipping companies, for example, you have your UPS and your FedEx. UPS has been up 5%. FedEx has been up 6%. And car stocks too. You have Mercedes-Benz up 5% in Germany. BMW up nearly 4% in Germany. So you see kind of the trend. I mean, a lot of these stocks are on the move.
I was in a lot of cars this weekend, and I think every Mercedes I was in, Paul, is made in Alabama.
Exactly.
Like you say, Mercedes is in Germany, but every car floating around in the GLs, whatever, they're made in Alabama.
Yeah, my BMW is made, I don't know, South Carolina or something like that. So I don't know.
Yeah.
I like
the parts, yeah.
Yes. I liked what you hailed, the global shipping companies.
Yes.
I mean, how about that? I mean, we heard stories of them turning around in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, going back to China over the last couple of weeks. Maybe now they're going to be coming.
Correct. Like Maersk, up 12%. Yep. Has been up this morning.
Maersk is up 12%. Is anything down today?
We do. And the reason is different. We have pharmaceutical companies, right? They're falling. The reason why President Trump said he wants to order this cut of U.S. prescription drug costs to bring them in line with other countries. So, for example, Pfizer is down 2%, Merck off about 2%. In Europe, you have Novo Nordisk. They fell as much as like 8.5%. Now they're down about 3.5%. But the president says that could drop pharmaceutical prices by up to 80% in the U.S. He's going to sign an executive order this morning on it, too.
Yeah. Anything else? Any other stock movers?
If you like, I know you like luxury. So yes, you have the European luxury stocks like Kering. They're up nearly 7% in Paris.
Really?
You have
That's
LVMH. LVMH more than 6% in Paris because they've really been taking a hit lately. Every time I seem to mention them, it always seems like their stock is going lower. Yeah. But now they're getting a nice lift this morning. So the luxury stocks also doing well.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.